Got this to put in the Christmas grab bag and it was big hit. It's not very heavy and it made well. This was a gift, and a good one at that, to our son and daughter-in-law who plan to use it at the upcoming U of Urbana homecoming game. Filled the table with tailgating supplies and used it in a raffle. Great raffle idea, very nice for parties or tailgating both indoors and out. It was a gift and is perfect for the family it's going to. This was a gift for someone who tailgates a lot. College football, baseball, and NFL. He loved it. Said it was easy to use and took up no room in the car when folded up. This was a gift for my son-in-law and he loved it. I purchased this for an office gift exchange, and it was one of the more popular gifts. I bought this for my husband and for my dad for Father's Day. They absolutely loved it. Great for BBQs camping. Very handy for the concerts in the park where I live. I bought a rubber basket with handles for ice that fits perfectly in the top portion. The bottom portion is insulated and there I keep the food. I bought this for my brother for Christmas. He can't wait to use it. My dad totally loved this thing. We made use of the table the first day he opened it and it is very convenient. Great for tailgating. This the primary item in a gift basket with a theme. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. This worked out perfect for our tailgating. I highly recommend it because it's easy to carry, lightweight, and hold the drinks perfect. Bought as a gift for my cousin and he said he loves it camping.